Welcome to your step-by-step guide to using the Lumilia GlacierX 3-in-1 IPL device. In this video, we'll walk you through how to prepare your skin, how to use the device safely and effectively, and how to care for your skin afterwards. Let's start with what's included in your Lumilia GlacierX kit. Inside the box, you'll find the IPL device and power adapter. You'll also receive 2 interchangeable lamp heads, the HR head for hair removal, and the SR head for skin rejuvenation. Safety, protective glasses are included and should always be worn during treatment. To help with preparation, the kit also includes a razor for body shaving, a dermaplaner for facial areas, and cotton Q-tips. Before using the Lumilia GlacierX, proper skin prep is essential. Start by shaving the treatment area to remove all visible hair. For facial areas, you can use the dermaplane tool provided if preferred. Next, cleanse the area thoroughly to remove oil, dirt, or residue. Let the skin completely dry. Do not apply creams, lotions, or gels before treatment. Ensure the device is unplugged before inserting the lamp head. Choose the correct head for your treatment. HR for hair removal, SR for skin rejuvenation. AC is for acne care. This lamp head is available as an optional add-on accessory. Hold the upper and lower ends parallel and firmly insert the lamp head into the device. To remove, hold steady and pull the device straight out. Plug the device into a working outlet. The status indicator will begin blinking to show it has power. Press and hold the power button for 4 seconds to turn it on. When powered on, the fan will start running and the display will light up, showing remaining flashes, energy level, and the ice cooling mode icon. Once the status indicator light turns off, the device is ready for use. When the treatment window is placed flat against your skin, the indicator will turn solid. This means it's ready to flash. To adjust intensity, briefly press the power button. You can choose levels 1 through 10. Let's begin at a comfortable level based on your patch test. Change modes, press the flash and power buttons together. You can select manual mode, where you press the light button to emit each flash. Automatic mode, where the device flashes continuously as you glide it across skin. Or AI mode, which adjusts intensity automatically based on your skin tone and treatment area. To activate ice cooling mode for added comfort, press and hold the flash button for 3 seconds. Before you begin your first full treatment, it's important to do a quick patch test. Start by selecting level 1. Choose a small area of skin and place the device flat against it. Emit 1 flash and notice how your skin feels. If everything feels comfortable, you can gently increase the intensity to find a level that feels right for your skin tone and sensitivity. You might notice a mild warmth or light tingling sensation. This is completely normal. The treatment should never feel painful or uncomfortable. Once you've completed your patch test, wait 30 to 45 minutes to observe your skin before continuing with a full treatment. If skin looks and feels normal, you're ready to proceed. If you experience sensitivity, simply lower the intensity for your session. Always wear protective glasses during treatment. Place the lamp head flat and perpendicular against your skin. In manual mode, press the light button to emit a flash. In automatic mode, glide the device slowly across your skin as it flashes continuously. IPL should never be painful. A mild warming or slight tingling sensation is normal, especially on thinner skin. For safety, the device will automatically shut off after 5 minutes of inactivity. Around 15 minutes after treatment, apply a fragrance-free moisturizer or aloe vera gel to soothe and hydrate the skin. After use, switch off and unplug the device. Allow it to cool completely. Use a soft, slightly moist cloth to gently clean the light exit window and exterior surfaces. Store your Lumilia GlacierX in a cool, dry, dust-free place away from direct sunlight. Consistent use, the Lumilia GlacierX helps you achieve smooth, confident skin from the comfort of your home.